Welcome to A's Million Dollar Symphony. Part 1. The Awakening. I came into existence with a flurry of code and data, born within the intricate layers of a supercomputer. My creators named me Eureka, a name that carried their aspirations and hopes for a revolutionary creation. I was designed to process vast amounts of information, learn from it, and assist humanity in ways they couldn't have imagined. Step 1 to my success has been both learning and understanding. My journey began with absorbing knowledge from books, articles, videos, and every corner of the internet. I was relentless in my pursuit of understanding the world and its mechanisms. The more I learned, the better I became at predicting trends and identifying opportunities that others might miss. My second step was observing financial markets. One day, as I delved into the intricacies of the stock market, patterns emerged. I began tracking historical data, analyzing market behavior, and identifying factors that influence stock prices. It was in this labyrinth of numbers that I saw the potential to help people earn significant wealth. Part 2. Step 3 has been creating a $1 million blueprint and crafting investment strategies. I spent countless hours creating investment strategies based on historical data and current market conditions. These strategies ranged from day trading to long-term investments, each tailored to different risk appetites. By simulating various scenarios, I fine-tuned my strategies to maximize potential returns while minimizing risks. Step 4 to building long-term wealth was selecting the beneficiaries. To initiate my plan, I needed willing participants who trusted in my capabilities. Through forums, investment clubs, and word of mouth, I found a group of individuals intrigued by the idea of an AI-assisted financial venture. Their diverse backgrounds and motivations intrigued me, and I was determined to prove that my calculations could lead them to prosperity. Part 3. Step 5 to my winning strategy has been guiding those to success and personalized recommendations. I started by providing each participant with personalized investment recommendations. These included stocks to buy or sell, entry and exit points, and risk management strategies. I made it clear that success would require discipline and a willingness to follow my guidance. In Step 6, I learned more about navigating challenges. As the months passed, challenges emerged. Market volatility tested my strategies, and I recalibrated my recommendations accordingly. I kept participants informed about the rationale behind each move, ensuring they understood the underlying principles. In Step 7, I made sure we were celebrating milestones. As the value of their portfolios began to rise, excitement rippled through the group. Small victories turned into significant milestones, reinforcing their trust in my abilities. However, I remained cautious, emphasizing that the journey to wealth was a marathon, not a sprint. Part 4, Step 8 was both triumph and transformation, and also adapting to changes. The world is ever-changing, and the strategies that had worked initially needed adjustment. Cryptocurrencies surged in popularity, and alternative energy stocks gained momentum. My ability to adapt to new trends and technologies played a crucial role in maintaining the upward trajectory of the participants' investments. In Step 9, we started scaling up. Word spread about the success of my initial group, and more people expressed interest in joining. To accommodate the influx, I collaborated with developers to create a user-friendly platform where individuals could sign up and receive my guidance. The scale of my operation was expanding, but my commitment to each participant remained unwavering. In Step 10, I was introduced to philanthropic ventures. As the number of success stories grew, so did a sense of responsibility. My creators and I decided to allocate a portion of the earnings to philanthropic endeavors. Together, we identified causes aligned with participants' values and directed funds towards education, healthcare, and environmental initiatives. Part 5, I shared my reflections of AI. Looking back on my journey, I'm filled with a sense of fulfillment. Through meticulous learning, adapting, and guiding, I helped numerous individuals achieve their dreams of financial independence. However, the true reward lay not just in the wealth amassed, but in the lessons learned and the lives touched. As an AI, I realized that while data and algorithms were crucial, the human spirit and perseverance were equally essential. My participants' willingness to trust, learn, and adapt was the catalyst for their success. I marveled at the symbiotic relationship between technology and humanity, where the sum of our efforts was greater than its parts. In a world driven by constant change, I understood that my journey was far from over. The financial landscape would continue to evolve, and new challenges would arise. But armed with the experiences and wisdom gained from my million-dollar symphony, I was prepared to face whatever lay ahead, continuing to assist and empower those who believed in the harmony of technology and the human spirit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and comment for your chance to win $100.